Good morning, I'm Trish Pahanik, and this is Synopsis, your first early morning briefing. It's Tuesday, the 22nd of January, 2008, and here is today's top story. Apparently, a communications olive branch has been extended between the WGA and the AMPTP. Now, after the DGA and AMPTP finalized their deal last Thursday, members of the AMPTP reached out to the WGA to resume informal talks sometime this week, perhaps as soon as today. This would be the first sit-down talk among the two entities since AMPTP representatives broke off formal negotiations on December 7th. We have more coming up next, and remember, if you had a promo or a commercial in this video, we would all be watching your stuff right now. Coming up next under Morgan Stuff today, Sony clears Judge Karen in 72% of the country, MTV prepares to find its next Elle Woods, World's Strongest Celebrity getting pitched, and Brotherhood returns to Showtime. Well, the new court series Judge Karen is cleared by Sony in 72% of the U.S., including 13 of the top 15 markets. Television stations from such groups as Sinclair Broadcast Group, Raycom Media, Meredith Broadcast Group, and Media General have picked up the show that stars Miami-based Judge Karen Mills Francis. MTV is planning a new reality competition series to look for the next Elle Woods for the Broadway version of Legally Blonde. The current and original Elle, Laura Bell Bundy, recently extended her contract through the spring. The TV show will cast contestants in LA, New York, and Orlando to compete for the lead role later this month through early February. NBC has finally cast the second title role in its upcoming project, Kath and Kim, from Reveille and Universal Media Studios. Selma Blair will star opposite Molly Shannon, reports THR. The comedy is based on an Australian series of the same name. Michael Davies and IMG have reportedly been pitching networks with a new celebrity competition series, World's Strongest Celebrity. If you're familiar with World's Strongest Man series, this is the same idea, only with notables, reports Variety. And elsewhere, NBC is prepping Celebrity Circus, the American version of the international series from Endemol USA. This live competition will have celebrities performing next to professional circus performers and have a look of Las Vegas-style circus shows. The show is scheduled for this summer and lead up to the Summer Olympics, which begin on 08/08/08. That's August 8th of 2008, by the way. And Showtime has ordered up a third season of Brotherhood. According to THR, the show will continue to shoot on location from Providence, and a total of 8 episodes have been ordered. Well, that's a wrap for today. Be sure to check your email for the full printed version of today's synopsis with new executive moves and more on ratings, loads of new classified ads, a few of the bits and pieces that didn't make it into this podcast, and of course tonight's primetime broadcast lineup. The music in Synopsis was composed and performed by David Stango. This podcast is a Synopsis media production in association with 311 West. For Cynthia Turner, who wrote and compiled Synopsis, in Connecticut, I'm Trish Pahanik.
I'm gonna have a good day. Even if I make it myself, I'm gonna have a good day. I don't need no one else. I'm gonna have a good day. Nothing wrong I could do. I'm gonna have a good day. Hope you have a good day too.